Editing for style and tone. Elevate your writing. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into an exciting aspect of the English language, editing for style and tone. Whether you're writing an essay, a story, or an email, understanding style and tone can transform your writing from good to great. Let's find out how. Style in writing refers to the unique way a writer expresses their thoughts. It's influenced by word choice, sentence structure, literary devices, and more. Style gives your writing personality and flair. Think of it as the clothes you wear. Just as you dress differently for a job interview compared to a beach day, your writing style should be tailored to the context. While style is the overall flavor of your writing, tone refers to the writer's attitude towards the subject or audience. It's the emotional quality of the words. For example, you can write about a rainy day in a melancholic tone, highlighting the gray clouds and the longing for sunshine. Or, you can adopt a joyful tone, emphasizing the rhythm of raindrops and the freshness it brings. 1. Vary your sentences. A mix of short, punchy sentences and longer, descriptive ones can make your writing more engaging. 2. Avoid repetition. Repetitive words can make writing dull. Use a thesaurus to find synonyms. 3. Active versus passive voice. Active voice usually makes sentences clearer and more direct. 4. Be consistent. If you start writing in a formal style, stick with it. A sudden shift can confuse readers. 1. Know your audience. Are you writing for teenagers or CEOs? Adjust your tone accordingly. 2. Be mindful of word choice. Words carry emotions. Challenging has a different feel than difficult. 3. Read aloud. Sometimes, hearing your words can help you detect the tone easily. 4. Ask for feedback. Having a peer review can offer insights into the tone of your writing. There you have it. By mastering style and tone, you can make your writing resonate more deeply with readers. Remember, writing is an art, and like any art form, it requires practice and refinement. We hope this video sheds light on how to elevate your writing through careful editing. Keep practicing, and until next time, happy writing!